Omron 3G3RX VFD fault codes E31 to E40 easy explanation. Part 4. Voiceover. E31 internal memory error. Restart the drive. If the fault remains, service may be required. E32 parameter save error. Restore factory settings and re-enter parameters. E33 CPU communication error. Power cycle the drive and inspect the control board. E34 keypad communication error. Check the keypad connection and cable. E35 cooling fan failure. Inspect or replace the cooling fan. E36 heat sink over temperature. Improve ventilation and reduce motor load. E37 output short circuit. Check motor wiring and inspect for cable damage. E38 DC bus voltage error. Verify the input power supply and DC bus components. E39 IGBT protection error. Inspect the inverter output stage and motor connections. E40 system hardware error. Restart the drive. If the fault persists, contact Omron service. Follow electrical K2L for more PLC, VFD, servo and industrial automation.